Starting fresh with a major renovation, system upgrade, or new project? ComEd's custom offering provides incentives that could cover up to 100% of your project costs. If you're exploring options to update your facility, our team of energy-efficient experts will work with you to identify and implement the best opportunities for energy savings. Once you have a project in mind, we'll be there to support you from start to finish. From opportunity assessment and application assistance to measurement and verification, we've funded projects including installing VFDs on motors, combined heat and power projects, process equipment upgrades, refrigeration system improvements, and more. Whether you're already looking into complex equipment updates unique to your facility or just starting to think that there may be a better way, our team can help you identify your options. The tailored energy efficiency solutions available through our custom offering are as diverse as the businesses we serve. Start your application at comed.com/custom or email businessee@comed.com for assistance.